Hi, my name is Ina Herlina. We are from 12 Science 6.
Hello, my name is Aditya Permana Putra. We will follow drama.
Hi, my name is Alvina Ismatullah Sana. Hello, my name is Hawa Malaksari. Hi, my name is Karisma Nurmayasari.
Hello, my name is Didin Badudin Atumuni. Assalamualaikum. How are you today?
I am fine. How about you?
I'm fine too.
It's time to have first break.
Let me help you order your phone. How can help you? Thanks a lot. Thanks, Dina. Sure.
Thank you.
Ira, are you okay? Ira. I believe in yourself. Do you need some medicine? Let me get it at the UI. Yes, I need it. Thanks, everyone. Sure. Do you want to be accompanied? No, it's okay. I'll handle it. Okay. Ira, this is medicine for you. Oh, thank you, Alvina.
The break time will be ended in 5 minutes.
By the way, we have a lot of homework this week. I want to finish it quickly so I can relax. Yes, I am also sick of all this homework. So, what's the solution? How we divide the text part to it together? Good idea. But where do we do work? How about in Chitika? Yeah, let's go.
All lessons have ended for today. See you tomorrow morning with a new learning spirit. Take care on the way home and have a nice day.
I did. Thank you.
Oh damn, may parang nagtakti.
You are not home yet?
Yes, I'm waiting for my parent to pick me up. But he is detective.
If you don't mind, I can take you home.
Really? Thank you.
homework, yes? Alright, and the rest. Oh, I left my chemistry book on the motor. I can take you to the parking lot. Yes.
Oh really? I also went to finish all my homework. Actually, this is achievement, but I managed my mistake.
Well, do it now here.
But I don't understand the subject matter.
Shall I help with your homework?
I also.
Hey guys, I want to a toilet, okay?
Yes.
Hey, you're not sitting here. What are you doing?
We will be joining you for this week's homework.
Yes, no problem, yes.
Of course.